Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard Review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard. Small business owners and their employees who prefer to fly with Hawaiian can earn valuable rewards with the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard. This card has few or no travel benefits, but it does come with generous one-time rewards and no foreign transaction fees. After spending $2,000 on purchases in the first 90 days, you can earn 80,000 bonus Hawaiian Miles and a $99 statement credit with the current Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard one-time offer. You need a credit score of 670 to 850 to be approved for this card. Let's begin by reviewing the pros and cons. The pros include great miles rewards. Based on research compiled by The Balance, each Hawaiian Air mile is worth 1.26 cents when redeemed for flights, giving you a respectable 3.8 cents per dollar for Hawaiian purchases and a decent 2.5 cents for gas, dining, and office supplies. All other purchases earn a single mile per dollar, but businesses that use the card frequently may want to rack up miscellaneous spending to qualify for one of the annual spending bonuses. Companion discount coupon for travel to Hawaii. Bonus miles for meeting annual spending thresholds. Increased earning on Hawaiian Airlines, gas, dining, and office supply purchases. 0% foreign transaction fees. Share miles for free with friends and family. One-time 50% discount on a companion fare. Although it isn't the full companion ticket that some other airline cards offer as a bonus, the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard's one-time 50% off discount on a companion round-trip coach travel between Hawaii and mainland North America is still a plus. There are no requirements to qualify. This card benefit is automatically included. You will, however, have to pay for your own ticket rather than using miles, as well as the companion ticket's full taxes and fees. Cons: $99 annual fee. Although there are many more expensive airline cards available, the annual fee for the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard remains a disadvantage. To fully justify the annual fee after the first year and its valuable bonuses, you'd need to spend at least $2,605 per year with the card, and that's just on flights, which have the highest rewards rate. As previously stated, the card offers no travel benefits to help justify its cost. High APR 16.24%, 24.24%. Locked into earning Hawaiian Miles. Earning rates aren't as good as other cards. No travel insurance protections. Limited partner airlines for redeeming miles. Redeeming miles for non-travel options is poor value. The Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard is among a select group of airline cards that offer no benefits at all when you fly its carrier. It doesn't come with any of the perks that other airline cards do, such as free checked bags or priority boarding. The card also doesn't include any common travel benefits, such as trip insurance against baggage loss and trip interruption, or rental car insurance that you might charge to it. This is a big downside to most people who are looking for a new credit card. This card is best for companies with employees who frequently travel to and from Hawaii, or who take a lot of intra-island flights. Because it provides no benefits, the card is only worthwhile if your company generates enough rewards to cover the $99 annual fee. To meet that goal, you'd have to charge about $217 in Hawaiian flights per month to the card, or about $330 in gas, dining, and office supplies. Businesses that visit the Aloha State frequently may already be spending that much or more. In fact, if your annual credit card charges are in the mid to upper five-figure range, the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard could be a good fit as your primary business credit card. Because those spending levels trigger mile bonuses, the card's rewards become even better. There are a variety of ways to be rewarded when you use the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard to make purchases. First, every dollar spent on Hawaiian Airlines earns you 3 miles. Then, at gas stations, office supply stores, and restaurants, you can earn 2 miles per dollar spent. All other purchases will earn you 1 mile per dollar spent. Shopping at the Hawaiian Miles marketplace online can sometimes beat the above rates. Hotels, gas stations, restaurants, and major retailers are among the partners who offer deals that allow you to earn bonus miles on your purchases. Because miles can be earned indefinitely, the more you spend, the more miles you can earn. And if you want to qualify for the 10,000-mile bonus that kicks in after a purchase on the employee card, you should spend more with this card each year. Miles earned with this card can be redeemed in a variety of ways. For example, you can use them to: Hawaiian Airlines offers award flights, Hawaiian Airlines Travel Partners flights, dining and shopping. Hawaiian Travel Partners provide hotels and car rentals, donations to charity. Miles can be used for flights between Hawaiian Islands and to Japan, in addition to flights to and from the United States, Korea, Australia, New Zealand, Papi and Pago Pago. If you want to travel from one part of Hawaii to another, you'll need the fewest miles possible. A main cabin flight between islands, for example, can be booked for as little as 7,500 miles. The greater the distance between Hawaii and your destination, the more miles you'll need for an award flight. For a main cabin fare to Japan, Korea, Australia, or New Zealand, you'll need at least 40,000 miles. To figure out how many miles you'll need to book a flight, look at Hawaiian's award chart. My thoughts on the card. I would rate this a 3 by 10 for rewards, benefits a 4 by 10, low fees 4 by 10, customer experience a 5 by 10. Because of generous one-time offers, the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard is an undeniable value for the first year. Those bonuses alone could provide enough miles to cover a round-trip economy flight from the United States mainland to Hawaii. However, after that honeymoon period, many business owners' interest in the card may wane. To say the least, the card's travel benefits are lacking. Furthermore, unless you frequently travel to Hawaii on business or intend to use the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard as your primary business credit card, you may not spend enough with the card to justify the $99 annual fee. Furthermore, the card's ongoing bonus opportunity, a 50% bonus voucher for a companion fare, requires spending by the cardholder, as miles cannot be used to purchase the companion ticket. This wraps up my review of the Hawaiian Airlines Business Mastercard credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than you all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.